Welcome to Veggie Land, where the vegetables are fun and friendly. Let's meet our vegetable friends. Hello, my name's Carrot. I'm a little root with a big heart and a whole lot of colour. I've got this orange, shiny skin that looks just like a sunset. And my green leaves? They're like the best hats ever. Let's all say carrot. One more time. Let's say carrot. Hello, my name is Peapod. I start as a tiny seed, and with sunshine, water, and lots of love, I grow into these little green balls of goodness. I am packed with vitamins that make you strong, just like superfoods. Let's all say Peapod. One more time. Let's say Peapod. Well, shucks. Hi there, friends. I'm an ear of corn, and I'm so happy to meet you. See these golden kernels? That's me, all snuggled up inside my green husk, staying warm and cozy. Let's all say corn. One more time. Let's say corn. Hey there, friends. I'm a tomato, round, red, and ready to say hello. You might think I'm a veggie, but surprise, I'm actually a fruit. Yep, just like apples and oranges. But guess what? I love hanging out with vegetables too. Let's all say tomato. One more time. Let's say tomato. Hey there, friends. I'm broccoli. Big, green, and full of energy. Just look at my curly top. It's like a tiny green forest. Did you know I'm like a superhero for your body? I give you energy, help you grow strong, and keep you feeling great. I've got vitamins, fiber, and all kinds of good stuff inside me. Let's all say broccoli. One more time. Let's say broccoli. Hey there, amigos. I'm a chili, the little pepper with a big personality. I may be small, but I sure know how to spice things up. Just look at my bright red color. That means I'm ripe and ready to add some zing to your favorite foods. I started as a tiny green chili, growing under the warm sunshine. But as I got older, I turned red and full of flavor. Some chilies stay green, some turn yellow or orange. But no matter the color, we're all full of spice and excitement. Let's all say chili. One more time. Let's say chili. Thank you for watching us today. I hope you are now going to eat all your vegetables to grow up happy and healthy. Join us next time for some more exciting veggie adventures. Bye-bye.